Hi there. I'm just going to briefly go over what it takes to reserve your business name in Missouri. So it's going to cost you $25 whether you plan on filing through PDF or if you plan on filing online. It's going to be the same unless you're filing for a limited liability partnership. For whatever reason, they've asked that filers pay $30. So before doing the name reservation, I always suggest that filers perform a business entity search, because if you commit to the payment of the filing fee and you try to reserve your name and it's already taken by another entity, you just wasted $25 or $30. To file online, let's go over this right away here. So you need to go to this website here and enter in your user ID and password. If you don't already have those two things and you don't have an account with the Secretary of State online portal, we've got a tutorial for how to do that here, how to register, that is. So now that you've entered in your login credentials, you should be able to see a page that looks like this here, and you'll see on that page a create a business entity link, which seems a little strange, but click on that link and you'll be brought to something that looks like this, and you can choose the name reservation type in terms of filing, and then you can click begin. And the first thing they'll have you do, of course, is enter the name to be reserved. Click continue, which is just clicking this next reserve by link. And you're going to have to add who it is reserved by. So click on this link found here. And once you do that, you'll have the option of either searching for someone who's already in the name database. So that's entering at least the last name and click search or reserved by, and you're going to get a list that looks like this. And then you can select the person there. Another way of doing it is you click on I do not want to search, and you're going to get a field, or a window rather, that looks like this, and you'll get to enter the name and the country and their full address before clicking save reserved by. And once you do that, you'll have your person that you are reserving the name reservation for here, and you can click on next signatures to continue. And just all you need to do to add the signer is enter their first name and their last name. That's sort of the electronic equivalent of a signature. And then you can also click on this box here that just says that you recognize that what you submitted is true and correct. Seeing as there's so little information, we can probably just go ahead and assume that it is. And same sort of thing as before, once you click Save Signer, you're going to get a box like this, and you can continue to the shopping cart, which will hopefully display, as it does here, a name reservation, and it will cost you $25, as I said. If that all looks good, then you can click Next Payment, and you can pay by credit card, or you can pay by e-check if you're doing so online. And we've got all the information necessary for both of those payment methods here. And once you've filled those out, you're going to get a page that looks like this. Click on I agree to the terms and conditions if you do, and click Submit Payment to officially reserve your name. You can also do this on by PDF rather, as I said. You can click here to get the PDF form, so that way you don't even need to go to the Secretary of State website. And all that's going to be needed of you is the name to be reserved, the signature of applicant, the printed name, the title, the date, the full address, and the name and address to return the document to. And you attach to that a $25 filing fee in check form, or $30 if you're an LLP, and mail both those items to this address and await correspondence. That's all there is to it. Best of luck to you guys.